Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to reset your iPhone to factory setting. Now this will wipe out everything and bring it back to how originally you got it when you first initially set up. Something you want to do if you're selling, giving away, or trading in this device and you no longer need it. So let's get started. But before you do that, make sure if you want to keep a copy of your data, you back it up, because once you do that, it cannot be undone. Usually you can go into your setting, click on your Apple icon here, click on iCloud, and then go on to do an iCloud backup here, which will show right here from iCloud backup, and you click on backup now. It will keep a backup of your data, or you can back it up in your computer or PC using iTunes. Now after you backed it up, and or if you're satisfied with the data that you have already backed up, you can go into your setting of your iPhone and then go to general and then scroll all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. We're going to click on that. Now the reset that we want to do is erase all content and settings, and once you do that, it's going to pop up with erase this iPhone. It's going to show you all the things that will be removed, things like all of your apps, your Apple ID activation lock, and any wallet items as well. So we're just going to hit continue. It's going to prompt for this phone's passcode, so I'm going to put in this passcode for this phone. That's going to be your passcode. It's going to also try to upload your data or finish uploading if it didn't finish it, so you can wait it out, but I'm just going to skip this. And the first thing you need to do is enter your Apple ID password for this phone. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the Apple ID password that was signed into this iPhone. All right, after you entered your password for your Apple ID, just click on turn off. And you might have to click on it once or twice, so I'm going to do it again. And then finally, you'll get this option to erase your iPhone, or basically factory reset it to factory settings, which I'm going to click on erase, and it will begin the process. Note that when you click on that turn off, sometimes it takes a few clicks for it to go through. So if it doesn't work right away, just try it a few times and this process will begin. Generally, you want to see this process through until you get to the hello screen, which will show you, or you can skip ahead. But I'm going to show you how long it really takes. Shouldn't take much long. Depends on, especially if you have a lot of data or if you don't have much, it might take a minute or two to do, sometimes a few minutes. But during this process, one thing is you don't want the phone to die. So if you want to plug it into a charger, that's a good idea. Or if you know your phone has at least 50% or more charge, generally will be safe during this process. And as you can see here, the Apple logo is spinning a few times, which is fine. It's going to load up. All is completely fine. Just let it do its thing and wait till that hello screen pops up. You notice that bar, as I mentioned, for loading came up a few times. It'll complete and then it'll flash the Apple logo again. All part of the process that will happen. And again, you can do this with any iPhone on iOS 17. We're doing it right now. But of course, this will be applicable on other iOS version as well by going through this process. So let's see when we get to the hello screen here. And while this is happening, if you haven't hit that subscribe button for tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices, please do consider hitting that subscribe button to help the channel grow, and of course to be able to create contents like this. And finally, just to show you this hello screen, once you have come here, you have now successfully reset your iPhone to factory setting. It's good to go, and you can trade it in, sell it, or give it away. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.